How to chat with someone on Reddit application. Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys how to chat on Reddit application. So if you find this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Reddit app, then go to the chat section and click on the plus like icon. Make sure you are on the correct option and click start chatting. Type the username of the person you want to chat with. If you don't know the username, you can search for it. Once you find the right username, click on it to start chatting. So this is how you can chat with someone on Reddit. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment and share this video. And also subscribe to our channel and do hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.